हम्म, पिछले पिछले वीडियो में मैंने ये वाला चार्ट डिस्कस किया था 11th नवंबर, बट आई फेस्ड दैट अगर मैं rather doing random position, अगर if somehow I am able to predict, if I am able to predict or find the trend and making trade further direction, that will be more beneficial for me. अगर वो अगेंस्ट जाता है तो ऑफ कोर्स मैं उसको मैनेज करने का कोशिश कर सकता हूँ, बट here if you see that traded move, buyers hold it for around 150 point, and then again sellers came in picture and they also hold it around 200 points. So that is the very dangerous condition. Now let's see for next one. So gap up opening, previous day is in that huge bars are there, and now second bar is the bear bar. You can sell here or even sell below around 180 points. So sellers are active here. So the most probably 1, 2, 3. So that bullish trend is going on. Let's see how we are respecting that. But first in mind that selling position is created. क्या ध्यान में रख के बनाया हुआ है कि प्रीवियस डे में जो भी लेगेड मूव हो रहा है वो लंबे समय तक हो रहा है. So considering that, we created small position and hoping for the legged move will continue further down and will make money. That's the only scenario. So today as well, by size of the bars are more and decent. No overlapping bars we have so far we seen that. Okay, so one bull bar came in picture. Okay, now here if you see there are this is keep repeating. Okay, so some of the example I have, and I might want to master this pattern that first second bar is the bear bar, even third bar is the bear bar. I nowhere condition I am good to predict it or good to trade it. So if you see this chart, so previous 2 days are bullish, no major trends or channels are there. Channels, I hope you mean by channel. Channel means that this type of move. Okay, so वो नहीं हो रहा है तो वो क्या कर रहा है, sellers are respecting that. Look, there are no opportunities to buyers to enter. Here if you see same what repeat हो रहा है यहाँ, लेकिन ये देखोगे आप, देखो ये वाला situation that these channels, okay, so whole day previous day is creating somewhat channels type. तो वो दिन क्या हो रहा है कि जो भी बियर्स बार बन रही है वहाँ बायर्स आर एंटरिंग एट द क्लोज ऑफ द बियर्स बार. एक यहाँ एंट्री होगा, एक यहाँ एंट्री होगा, एक यहाँ एंट्री होगा, एंड देन इवेंचुअली बायर्स आर मेक प्रॉफिट एंड क्लोज ऑफ द डे, close for the day. Same what again happened here. They look, bull bar, bull move, then bear move, then again came in picture that bear bar, and now bulls are making profit there. यहाँ भी सेम हुआ है. So buyers are buying at this level 199, even 170, and both players are in profit now. Let's see what we see. So now 24,136. So who took entry that low, they may again wanted to buy at this level. So So in the hope of good bull bar, buyers are buying at the close of the bear bar. But their position will be so small that they ready to withstand the move till move somewhat nearer to that. So at this low, they may be strict with the stop loss, and they are ready to that market will come here. They are ready to bear that. Now it's just seeing. Yeah, that is the break even point. You may मैं यहाँ पे क्या आइडिया देना चाहता हूँ कि अगर आप सेलिंग साइड पे बैठे हो तो वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट डे फॉर यू एंड दैट एग्जिट दैट स्क्रीन. But if you stuck that you are buying at the low with the idea just as spoke, then you have to manage position and exit at break even nearly as soon as possible. So अगर ये बुल बार के ऊपर अगर दूसरा बुल बार बन रहा है तो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली चांसेस आर दैट मार्केट विल क्रिएट द बेयरिश चैनल आइदर रिवर्स फॉल होल्ड ट्रेड. ओके, अगर वो दूसरा बुल बार भी बन जाता है तो द होल पोजीशन फॉर सेलर्स आर इन प्रॉफिट. अगर नहीं बनता है तो we may find another good position at this point, even this point. So let's see. So we are again creating bear bar. Look, so all the buyers who sold here, this low, and even they have buying position at 24,164, now are in profit. And this is the greatest position they have created, and they may be done for the day. Now let's talk about the scenario of the sellers who sold at this 20 or below 140 for any condition. How they will manage the condition. So of course they have to bear that situation. That move can be expanded to this point. Yeah, I hope you understand. Sellers, they may enter here or even they waited to enter at this around 2240, but they can enter. Overlapping bars, no further continuation of trend for up bar, market retraced, all the sellers are in profit now. So that I earlier discussed, the buyers are buying at this low, they maybe end up at this point. All the position will be closed at this point and they have to reset the cycle for the next trade. बट मैं सजेस्ट करूंगा उसको ट्रेड क्लोज हो जाना चाहिए, उनको डे क्लोज कर देना चाहिए, बिकॉज दिस इज द बेस्टेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर देम. ये ओवरलैपिंग बार्स का कोई वेट कर रहा है तो वो कैसे पोजीशन बना सकता है. आइदर दे आर लुकिंग फॉर द बाइंग पोजीशन एट बिलो दिस पॉइंट्स एंड बिलो दिस पॉइंट, बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट अ गुड ट्रेंड रिजल्ट or good trend right. They are buyers are waiting to buying position in below point. So I hope if you so far you observed that at the close of the bear bar, buyers are buying and are in profit. So at this bar also profit, at this bar also profit. Now let's see 24,14120. Buyers still make position here. Here the dominant side of the trend is the selling side. So buyers took this note as in mind that market may go against them and for a longer time, because yesterday we seen that. And they are again in profit, buyers are in profit, and they even exit that position around 24,160. Look, again it repeated here, buyers are buying at close. So if you may know that at someone buy that position here, how they will manage, they have to lose that hold position, and what they can do, they can start again uh, exploring new patterns from this level. तो वो कैसे मैनेज, वो क्या दिखेगा यहाँ से उसको देखना पड़ेगा कि वो क्या रिपीट हो रहा है और कैसे वो ये लॉस को ब्रेक इवन कर सकता है। तो वो क्या करेगा कि अगर बेयर बार का क्लोज बाय करेगा, यहाँ पे प्रायर बार का बाय बाय करेगा, और ऐसे ही करके वो एक्यूमुलेट करेगा पोजीशन in this overlapping zone and they end up in profit for this much low. 113 points का है, so I hope you understood that 39 points, 20 points, 35 points, Tuesday to the Tuesday chart. अगर आप देखोगे ये क्या हो रहा है कि यहाँ पे एक्सपांडेड मूव हो रहा है, ये लोगों को ब्रेक कर चुका है। नाउ अगेन sellers took control over it. Buyers have no option to even two-legged move. So high chances that even this day or next day buyers will take control over it for some of the time. Again breakdown. Maybe they are creating channel in resumption of this channel. And they may be closed here. Yeah. So overall it is nice day. My idea is to trade is to for only for the starting zone only. So I don't know, but I just want to see that, or I wanted to trade in this first 2 hour zone only, not more than that. So if I am able to manage position here, then I am good. I only try to explain all this for only starting position. I am further expanding for further day just for discussion what is happening, how the day explodes after the first 2 hours.